Yes, so my people, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all. Welcome back to Gospel News, where we keep you updated on as it take the go. And may we go straight to the reason why we are here today as it the hot. So, they say that they planned the demolition of a computer village. Don't finally start to, and our people are crying out in Lagos State. Go show na many videos. Make una share this video and make it go viral. Go show na plenty videos from the site of the demolition that Lagos State have resumed. Una go remember, say the president of the country, what did they call Tinubu, will be the man where they squeeze Nigerians. Una they see for the picture there, so they squeeze Nigerians, especially Igbo people. And Igbo people will be saying that they for Lagos State, they do businesses, so they follow matter, they tackle on some na from on buildings, now they don't demolish. Now on a market, now they demolish, so and I make with the shout, say, bring your wealth home. Akurolo, amalo nyenwelo ya, amalo nyenweya, because unubuta kuno very sharply. When I go here, say, the president pass inside that one market inside Lagos State to say that so people they shout, President, we are hungry, hunger won't buy us for this country. But I don't know how Tinubu take the feel over that matter when they say Ingo pray for inside mosque for Lagos Island. Very quickly, let us resume with the videos we have at hand. So make una watch this one.
There's so much desperation on their faces, and perhaps we can just pan and let's show you what we are talking about here, because these tenants who have shops here have been left perhaps in a dilemma or confusion. They have gotten reports about the need for an urgent renovation work, and their shops, we understand, are going to be demolished any moment from now. And that's why you can see the faces of those who have shops here, who have been here for many years. They've been asking questions as to why exactly now, and yet some of these questions have not been answered. We've only just arrived here a couple minutes ago, and that's why the details are really very, very sketchy. But what we can tell you is that this is not the first time this has happened. They have received such a notification of demolition in 2019, and fast forward now to 2023, they have again received another notification of a demolition exercise to happen here any moment from now. When we got on ground a few minutes ago, we also discovered that some of them are already moving their items in their shops just to prepare for the wars perhaps. But let's bring in the chairman of these shops who would perhaps give us some more perspective and clarity. Mr. Chairman, just very briefly, talk to us exactly why are your people standing here? What have you been told?
Anyway, it's unfortunate that we are facing this kind of a thing from some developer that they bend on bringing this place down since 2019. Lati Walenwe. Because 2019, Ari letter confed developer of money.
Alright, so you have to speak in English because of our viewers, international viewers. But quickly, who said they want to come and demolish this place?
Okay, then we had an invitation from a developer through power. Through power college. Then when they brought the invitation, then we tried to talk to them, but they bend on bringing it, and then we go to press, then we talk to them. Later, then we reach out to IGY. Then IGY denied that he doesn't know anything about the issue then.
All right.
Then
all right. Yes, so, I mean, because we are absolutely pressed for time, we have to leave it here. We are absolutely on ground, and what we can assure our viewers around the world is that we're going to stay here and bring you up to speed with developments as they happen right here at the computer village.
Oh, I don't see that one. No, that one is just the primary as that interview. While I bring on a live video of things happening there right now as I speak to you, right inside the computer village. So this is one of the videos. There are many more. So stay tuned. Share this video. Make it go viral. You can see the demolition from afar with the policemen. All right, that's one of the videos. We'll go to the next one. Here is another one. You can see this one too.
That's 12:30 a.m. in a computer village under demolition. Yeah, for phase 1 and 2, the largest plaza in a computer village, Ikeja, Lagos. And ever now more of the CSO. Ever contain over 5,000 business owners and over 1,500 shops. Makaneba contain 99% of Igbo. And why hire me home? I'm just meeting with the governor. I have no problem. 12:30 a.m. this morning. Kandada. We're not going to but yeah, I guess it's getting money by back to 2023. And they wake up to 2024. Yeah, comfortable enough. And the plaza now have their CSO. Some of their chief people. It is 100% political. 100% political. Adam Kunufu,
I don't see matter where they sup inside computer village as they talk to you now. They say no be small matter, and be this one no way una they see so. I say that a lot of things are going down inside there. Let me bring you the next video of what's going on. Now I'm gonna watch them.
Federal property. I'm also why Lagos State is the one federal property. They are largest plaza when it comes to village. Over 2,500 shops and over 6,000, 5 to 6,000 traders. 12:30 a.m. this morning. A lot of us in December. Some in East and Wahani. Manu do it now.
All right, I don't see waiting they happen inside Lagos State to before the coming of Baba go slow. Abi Tinubu na Baba go slow. Abi go speed. I don't know if I make on a watch. All right, that was Lagosians, Yorubas, praising Tinubu before his coming. And then today, now watch what's going on here. What is going on? I don't see them. They say before the during the election, I saw Yoruba people, they shout, they hail Tinubu. They say, Oga, carry go. Now you we know one hear another name. Forget about them. Now you be the Babanlano case. Today, how is the market booming? Look at it here. We are hungry. Lagos resident Traders yell at President Tinubu while passing through Popular Market in Lagos State. Una don see am. Hey, while I don't start to now be that one, oh, they never break. Hunger don't they catch you. We are hungry. I say sorry, may God no allow them because we go finish them. So na TikTok say na tribalism. Na ain't go buy us for this country where they call Nigeria. So we must finish it too. Everybody say, na my turn, no. Yoruba, I cannot vote an Igbo man when I have Yoruba man there. That is, you choose your own people, whether they are stupid, whether they are functional, whether they are dead over the living. And you say that you are hungry. Hunger never start till they beat you. Sorry, this is morning to you. You never see anything, and I never know anything. Now, according to the information we gather from this video, they say residents of Lagos Island and traders at the popular Idumota market have decried the increasing hunger and desperation inflicted on them by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led administration. The residents were seen in a trending video telling President Tinubu in Yoruba language that they are hungry. Ebim pawau. I say sorry. May God no allow the hunger make it by you. Fired on both sides of the road as seen in the video as the president convoy passed through the busy market. The traders didn't hail him. They instead kept talking of their pains, which they accused his administration of inflicting on them by bad policies that didn't factor the poor and working class in the country. The complaining voices in the video were heard saying that the presidency had known the plans of the people, which was the reason for the heavy security. However, the alleged initial plan was not made known. Hey, they say Tinubu know wetin in they do now. Make he go pack all the whole security where they Nigeria take the guard himself. If not, now pure water for collect inside the market. But in the Western world, despite your security, they will still throw pure water at you. So you do not market people. Una no try you. Una for express on grievances with pure water. At least it is allowed internationally. You can even buy eggs. No. Eggs. Eggs money too much now. One egg, 120, I'll be 150, depending on the size. So I'm not sure anybody will be wise enough to throw eggs or pelt eggs on the president. That would be too expensive. But at least una for tie ice water, because na so they tie them those days when we small, they go primary school. Now ice water una for use nylon tie. Take bath those in motor, even if una no fit bath him. Una go throw him for that in motor. The motor go soak. At least him go know say him pass somewhere. Say una dey vex, but una dey there dey shout enyim kpawawe. Wetin that one won't do, president. President carry go do your policies for mineral. Budget better money for mineral, Coke and Fanta. Sarah reporters reported penultimate Thursday that President Bola Tinubu arrived in Lagos from Abuja ahead of the Christmas celebrations. President Tinubu arrived at the presidential wing of the Murtala Muhammad International Airport, Ikeja, at 3:55 p.m. local time in Nigeria's presidential jet, NAF 001. The president was welcomed by a crowd of supporters, including Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, his deputy Obafemi Hamzat, Secretary to the Lagos State Government, Abimbola Salu Hundeyin, Head of Service, Olabode Aguru, and Chief of Staff, Tayo Ayinde, among others. Lagos State All Progressive Congress APC chieftains, led by their chairman Cornelius Ojelabi, members of the Governance Advisory Councils, GAC, State Executive Council, and top government officials were also at the airport to receive the president. Now, so they take waka out, enter Lagos, so before I come begin, they come this market now, where then they tell and say, Tinubu, you go wound them, or see as you they squeeze them. No, they squeeze them again, when I don't see them now. So the demolition in Lagos State has begun. Our people, when I go learn, it's not a joke. Don't joke. Okay? It's not, don't joke. It's that serious. You get the point now. I will see you now for the next update. Thank you.